What makes this condo special is of course the view from both the bedroom area and the living area. It's a view across the Mactan Channel towards Cebu city. In the distance we have at the bottom of frame Mactan al fresco and the local church, and Cebu Mactan Airport, and then Cebu City in the distance, currently hidden in cloud. The view is of course what makes this unit special. Mactan Channel. Directly below us we have Newtown Blvd. We have the Megaworld sales office, Mactan al fresco, Newtown School of Excellence. Across the way here we have the church and the neighboring LG garden, incorporating various stores, restaurants, coffee shops. In the distance you will see Mactan Cebu Airport. Here we have the plane coming into land as we speak. Mobile. Enter from the hallway. We have table and chairs to the right, and then looking straight in we have the beautiful view at the end of the living area. To the left at this point we have the kitchen, which is a typical kitchen here at 8 Newtown, with a washer, sink, 2-ring burner, some closets, some storage, and of course the refrigerator, Electrolux standard issue, and a microwave, Samsung microwave. Returning to the living area, we have this sit-down area, of course. And then there's a partition here, a glass partition, slides across along this track to separate the bedroom area. Right now there's one double bed, and the bathroom is directly off the bedroom area. Sink, toilet, mirrored, and shower with a full bath.